looking for a kayak.
Oh, not what I was expecting, but yeah, come on back. We have plenty of different kayaks to look at. Oh, be careful with that one though. That one's a little squeaky. See what I mean? It's terrible. Here, let me go get the oil. Just let me rummage around in my toolbox. Don't mind any noise I might make. See, I'm not making that much noise. Okay, let me just oil that up. Very silent oil. All right. So, are you interested in that kind of? Do you throw that? Oh, laying it in some feathers. That's good. I didn't hear a thing. Are you interested in the now freshly oiled kayak?
Is that the one that you have to go like this, or the one that you have to?
Well, it's really more of an unconventional kayak. You actually strap paddles to your legs.
I don't think that's what I wanted.
That's fair. That's fair. Here, why don't we wait? Do you hear that?
I left the door open. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
please, close that. Please, my God.
Sorry, my fake gun went off in my back pocket.
Yeah, please be careful with those. Well, we actually have, I don't know how interested you are in kayaks, but we actually have some other watercraft over here. What are your thoughts on pedal boats?
I have to sit in them.
Please do, please do. Ah, my whoopee cushion didn't go off. Oh, there he goes. I gotcha. Hey. Anyways, what do you feel? What do you feel? See, no squeaking this time at all, nothing like that?
It's in the water already. I like that.
It is. And you know what? I can actually turn on a fan for some dramatic effect. It'll blow your hair back. Let me turn that off. How'd you like that? Is that something you would be interested in buying as well?
I don't think so. It's too fast.
That's fair. That's fair. Now, you need a lot of different equipment when you go out on the lake and everything like that. Okay?
Okay.
A lot of people aren't aware of this, but you do need to watch out for sharks in most freshwater ecosystems. So, we do have shark spray here. Keep shaking it. Something will happen.
It's working!
Yeah, I'm sorry. Now, if you just want, we have a big shark set up over there for you. If you just want to spray that all over it, it'll react poorly. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I got my eye!
You had it backwards. Thankfully, it's only really harmful to sharks. Oh, the lights went out.
Oh, shoot! I can't see anything!
This isn't good. We must have been here. Oh, jeez. Are you okay? What happened?
I'm sorry, my fake gun went off! Scared me.
Listen. I'm gonna try and find the lights, okay?
Okay.
Just let me see if I can find any kind of thing to give me any clue of where I am. Oh, here, is that you? Yes, okay. Oh, I found the switch. Ready? It's not working.
We're locked in here and we're not gonna go anywhere!
Listen, this might sound drastic, but I think I know how we can get out of here. We're gonna blow the side off the building.
Can I use my fake gun?
Of course, we're gonna need the gunpowder inside of it.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna use all the different things that shields have. It's mostly jerky. So, pour the gunpowder inside of this jerky.
I don't know how you know where I am.
Just do it. Trust me.
Okay, done.
All right, we're gonna put it inside the squeaky kayak. Oh. Okay, maybe we shouldn't blow up the building anymore.
Empty.